John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, we're going back underwater again for this lesson, and we're going to be doing some more seaweed. Alright, so if you like to do seaweed, I think this lesson is going to be just up your alley. Well, on a side note, you're going to see a lot more fishy things like this coming in the days ahead and the weeks and the months because of my Friend Fish series, of course. Anyway, so I'm excited about that project. So if you have a pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Well, as I say from time to time, what can you take home from this one? Diverse yourself in all different techniques, styles, from drawings and even areas. You're all familiar with a lot of stuff above ground, but what about under the water? There's a ton of different corals and seaweed and fish life that is so phenomenal that you probably don't even know what they look like, but when you take some research and you see the uniqueness that's in the water, I think you'll really appreciate just as much as I do. Alright, so thanks for watching this video and have a great day.